Goldfish Explorer rode with shimmering scales of shiny gold. She swam through coral, explored the sea, and wondered what more she could see. Bubbles, bubbles, swim so free, exploring the ocean full of glee. With every fin and every splash, she finds new wonders in a flash. She zipped past whales and jellyfish too, chased a seahorse in shades of blue. She danced with dolphins, flipped in the tide, discovering treasures far and wide. Bubbles, bubbles, swim so free, exploring the ocean full of glee. With every fin and every splash, she finds new wonders in a flash. She found a shipwreck old and grand, with golden coins and a pirate's band. She twirled in the kelp and swam through caves, a true explorer of the watery waves. Through the seaweed and past the rocks, she explored the deep in curious walks. From the ocean floor to the highest wave, she's the bravest fish in the sea, so brave. When the sun set and the stars began to gleam, Bubbles swam home with a satisfied gleam. Tomorrow's a new day, who knows what she'll find? Bubbles the Explorer leaves no sea behind.